Okay, Bean the bird is being a pain in the butt. He is dive bombing my mom. He's running other birds off over green beans that he won't even freaking eat. Bean is bad. Bean, you better eat your vegetables and quit running people off. Look at him. He's a goofy little bird.
Isn't he mean?
He is mean. Bean is mean. Oh my. Oh my God. Big Bird over there loves beans.
Yeah, he does.
But Bean Bird is just, there he is, look at him. Standing there barking at everyone and chasing everyone. Bean, you're mean. And you don't even eat green beans.
Don't have any more beans.
This one loves green beans right here. So we call him Big Bird.